Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Kotak Bank application on your mobile device. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you want to open up an online banking account for Kotak Mahindra Bank using a mobile device, then the first thing to do is to make sure to download the application, of course. Simply go ahead and open up your App Store or your Play Store, and once you're inside, in the search box, search for Kotak Bank and perform your search. Once you find this application that says Kotak 811 UPI Payments and Loans, this application right here, tap on the Get button or the Install button to begin the downloading process for the online banking app. Once the application has started the downloading process, wait for the app until it is finished downloading. Once the application is downloaded, you'll be able to see an Open button. Give it a tap to launch the app open. Now, allow necessary permission for the app and get started with online banking for Kotak Mahindra. Once you have the application installed on your mobile devices, you can easily get access to your online account whenever you want and wherever you are. That is how you can easily download Kotak Bank application on your mobile device. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.